To make croissant dough, cut the butter into cubes. Combine the flour, salt, sugar, butter, yeast, and milk in the bowl of a stand mixer. Knead on speed 1 for 5 minutes, then on speed 2 for 8 minutes. Check the temperature of the dough, which should be between 24 and 25 degrees Celsius. Check the gluten network, an essential step in making successful viennoiseries. Shape the détrempe into a ball and let rise for 1 hour. Punch down, roll into a rectangle, and refrigerate overnight. Remove the butter sheet from the refrigerator 15 minutes before using. Corman Dairy Butter 82% fat is easy to work with and has a good flavor. It adapts to the chef's environment. Made with fresh cream, it brings an intense dairy flavor to your pastries. Lightly flour the butter before laminating. Place on top of the détrempe, letting it protrude 1/2 to 1 centimeter so the butter is distributed evenly. The firm yet pliable texture of Corman butter facilitates lamination. Fold the détrempe over the butter and make an incision on each side to reduce tension and ensure even distribution of the butter. Give the dough a quarter turn and roll. Give the dough a double turn by folding it in 4. Fold the ends towards the center, then fold the whole in half. Give the dough another quarter turn. The fold must be parallel to the laminator. Make another incision, roll, and give the dough a single turn by folding it in 3. Let rest at 4 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. For shiny croissants, place a second rolled out piece of détrempe on top of the folded dough. Press together, turn the dough parcel over, then roll to a thickness of 3 millimeters. To make croissants, cut the dough into triangles measuring 30 centimeters long by 9 centimeters wide. To make pain au chocolat, cut the dough into 18 centimeter wide strips and then into 8.5 centimeter rectangles. Once the dough is cut, start shaping the viennoiseries. To make croissants, roll up the triangles starting from the base. Thanks to Corman Butter's firm yet pliable texture, the dough doesn't shrink, ensuring uniform finished products. For pain au chocolat, roll the dough up around 2 sticks of chocolate, ensuring that the seam is underneath. Store in the freezer or proof immediately. Place the products in the proofer for 2 hours at 27 degrees Celsius. Brush with a mixture of egg yolks, milk, and cream. Preheat the convection oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Bake the croissants at 170 degrees Celsius for approximately 17 minutes and the pain au chocolat for 18 minutes. Corman Dairy Butter 82% fat gives your pastries nice air cells and a good dairy flavor.